Hi, I'm Paula from Great Ocean Properties. Welcome home to coastal living at 33 Elizabeth Street, Anglesea. This spacious family home features a fresh interior with 2 living zones, generous master suite plus 2 additional bedrooms with built-in robes, home office, plentiful storage throughout, expansive outdoor undercover entertaining and a sunny private garden. Positioned in a family-friendly, community-minded neighbourhood with just a short walk to the local school and shops, with the beach, river and coastal walking tracks easily accessible too. Please contact myself or the Anglesea team for a private or virtual inspection.